Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn on or turn off your Apple Watch SE second generation. Let's get started. To turn off our watch, we would need to hold this side button on your watch, which is located under the digital crown. If we will hold it, you can see appear on the screen power off menu, which looks exactly like this. To turn off our watch, we need to click on this power button, which is located on the right corner. Then take your finger and swipe it to the left. And now our watch is turned off. Now, to turn on our watch, we would need to hold the same control button, which is located under the digital crown, until you will see appear on the screen Apple logo. Let's do it. Now we can stop holding the button and just wait a few minutes until our watches will turn on. And after a little while, our watch is successfully turned on back. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.